this is what I've been working on for the past, I don't know, month, I guess you could say. Everything I made out of air dry paper clay and also homemade clay that I made myself. It does light up, so I'll show that in a minute. And here is my little gnome. He don't have his girlfriend. Butterflies have antennas. So it's the first time I've done something like this ever. And I had fun. It was fun. And all the mushrooms, the little ones, glow in the dark. So yeah, that'll be cool to see. So I'll show you here in a minute. And here we go with it lit up. It changes colors. And then for the glow in the dark, I need to turn the light off first. Hang on. And there we go. They're glowing in the dark. If you tap them with a UV real quick, they glow right away. They're not in the light that much, so it doesn't glow as good. Oh, look how pink that flower is over there. There we go. Pretty snazzy. Yep.